Guys, thank you for joining the channel. It's Taurus and Mary again, and guess look who we have with us. Samina, say hi. Hi. So today we're taking Samina to the zoo. Yay! And I want to use this opportunity to try a new product I just got. This is the BareMinerals powder foundation beginner sets. It's a 4-pack set. This is what it comes in. It comes with a primer, a brush, and the setting powder. It's a brush and the foundation, powder foundation in the shade neutral deep. Okay, Samina. Okay, that's what it looks like. So we will be trying this on today. Okay, and
what is that?
It's powder. We're going to be trying this on today, and we'll come back and give you guys a full review. Okay, faces, we're going to be using the primer that it came in. This is what it came in. This is to see what it looks like. Oh, it's a gel primer. Put that on my T-zone. I initially started without priming my face, so we're just going to be doing that now. So now back up.
I'm not just so different.
So, are you excited to go to the zoo, Mama?
Yes.
You are?
Yes.
Okay. Now, unlike my other foundation that I go in with a brush, I will be using with a blending brush. Blending sponge. Sorry, guys. We will be using today a brush. I must say it blends seamlessly. Very, very seamlessly, if I must say. Okay, so I'm going to go and finish the rest of my face. Okay, then come back and conclude with the rest of the products in the beginner kit. Okay, thanks. Finished my face. Finished my face. So I'm going to set my entire face with the mineral veil, the tinted mineral veil. Yes, you can see that. I'm going to be putting some, just a little amount right here. You can see it. Focus. There we go. I'm putting that to set my entire face. Has a nice buttery feel, which I like. It makes for an easy application. Yes, I'm one of those people who put foundation on my neck. For my highlighter, I'm going to be using the BareMinerals Golden Obsession. This is a cream-based highlighter. Yep. Nice creamy finish. I'm not going to be using a brush for this. I'm going to be using my hands. It did come with a brush, but I am not sure about the brush. I think it just messes up the look that I already have, so I'm just tapping that into my cheekbones. The high point of my cheek, bridge of my nose, my temple, and over it with my brush again. This is the finished look. It is currently 11:12 p.m. right now in Connecticut, so we're gonna wear this throughout the day and come back and give you guys my full review. Also be doing some check-ins as well during the day. Okay, catch you guys on the flip side. Bye. Midday check-in at the Bridgeport Zoo. We're gonna look at some alligators now. Rocking my damn shades. Why behind those bushes? No. Okay, I think we're looking good. Okay, looking good. Yeah, this is the alligators. Can you see them, Samina? They are so tiny.
Cute! I love the monkeys. Oh, look at cute little monkeys.
Oh, sorry.
What is this Yeah, I see one.
Oh, you see little monkeys.
What's in there?
They're little monkeys. See?
What's that?
That's a snake.
Green snake white. And now shut me down.
Come on, so we're all the way up this.
And I want to get down.
Hi, my lovelies. It's the end of the day. It's about 6 p.m. in city. So this is what it looks like at the end of the day. Closer so you can see it. All in all, I don't have any complaints. I think I should get the next shade up, because I think this is a tad bit lighter than my skin. Like I said, it's a tad bit lighter than my original skin complexion, but all in all, I don't have any complaints. I can't see any cracking. It held up very well. It was very light. I didn't feel I had anything heavy on my face, and all in all, I think I liked it so far. The BareMinerals beginners kit set seems very good. It's worthy of the price. Out of everything, out of the items in the box, I especially liked the tinted mineral veil, because I think this gave my entire face a nice finish. I think I'll be using this with, I'm going to use this with my other foundation and see how that looks. The primer as well worked quite well, made the application a lot easier. The brush is another addition to my brush collection. So all in all, I think I'm gonna get the next shade up from the Natural Deep 29. I'll see if they have other shades online, and I especially like the Cream Gold Obsession highlighter. Especially like it came with a brush, but I don't really feel I think I'm going to use it with the brush, and I'm just going to use my fingers or just use another brush, one of my other brushes. So for price point of $34, yes, it is pricey. You can get other summer foundations that can do the work at a more reasonable price, but it's another nice addition to my collection. All in all, I don't have any complaints. I will rate this foundation a 6.5 over 10. I'll put the links so where you can get these below, and if you just want to try it, if you just want to get like the little sample sizes that I got, I'll put that link down below where you can get that as well. So thank you so much for watching the video, and I look forward to seeing you guys on the next one. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, share, and most of all subscribe. Thank you. Enjoy the rest of your week.